Boss, the fabric is here.
Thank you, Tattoo. Smiles, everyone, smiles. Welcome to the island. This is the island of Batik, and I'm going to be one of your ambassadors. Hello, everyone. It's Reed Johnson from Blue Bear Quilts, and I am so honored to be an Island Batik Ambassador for the year 2022. I will be sharing wonderful projects with you all year long. And I don't know if many of you remember Fantasy Island, but I do. And this is one of my fantasies, to receive huge boxes of fabric. And so I'm going to be unboxing these for you today, and I'm going to be showing you what products Island Batik has sent me to work with. So let's get started. So we're going to start with this first box, and it was bursting at the seams, so I had to open it because it just was busting. So let me show you what's in this box. The first thing is Hobbs Heirloom Premium Cotton Batting. This stuff is really, really nice, and I can't wait to work with it. So I'm going to be really excited to show you what I make and use this batting. We also have some Hobbs Heirloom Premium Wool Batting. This is really nice, and one of the advantages of wool batting is that it gives you that puffiness that really makes your quilting pop out, and so I'm really looking forward to using that. And here we have Hobbs Heirloom 80/20 Bleached Cotton Batting, and I think this is one of their oldest products and one that they've made the most, and I love 80/20 batting. It's probably my all-time favorite, and this is bleached so that it's white, and that's really good for quilts that have a white background and have a lot of white in it, so that the batting doesn't show through your fabric. And then we also have these fusible batting strips. It looks to me that they're about 2.5 inches in width, and it says that they're good for making straps and that type of thing, for bags, rugs, totes, straps, sashing. So I've never used this before, but I'm looking forward to giving it a try. And then the last thing in this first box is Hobbs Premium Polyester Batting. And I think that will give you nice loft just like the wool batting does. So I'm excited to see what we do with this polyester batting. Now we're going to move on to the second box, and I'll show you what's in that box. Now we're going to get started on the second box. This is a big one, and I can't wait to show you what's going to be inside this box. So let's cut it open and see. Cut it carefully. We don't want to cut what's inside. Okay, here we go. Get rid of this stuff, the packing materials. Okay. All right, the first thing that I am seeing is these beautiful blue batik fabrics. Look at these gorgeous fabrics. And this is a fat quarter bundle that's done in a gradation of blues. They're calling these their gradations, and they have them all different colors, and they've sent me blue to work with. So aren't these really fun? I just can't wait to work with those. And so this is called Brilliant Blues by Island Batik, and I believe these will be used in the first project that I'm making in January. Also in here we have a bundle. These appear to be like half-yard cuts, and it says Batik Foundations Bundle. And so look at all of these beautiful batiks that we have in there. And there's also some solids, an orange, a lime, a blue, a dark gray, all kinds of wonderful fabrics to work with. Ooh, and then I have my neutrals. I love my neutrals. So I have a gray, a white, and a black solid cotton fabric to work with, and I definitely will be incorporating these into my quilt projects. I love Aurifil thread. It's what I use all the time, This is called their Sumatran Elephant collection. And it's 40 weight thread, which would be good for stitching on top of things like thread painting. And this is in 3 different grays. Aren't those beautiful? And so they're definitely an elephant color. And so those are wonderful threads that I look forward to using. Oh, what is this? This says surprise on it. Well, I guess I don't get to know what this is either, so we're gonna have to wait. And I'll have an unboxing of this later when we find out what goodies are in here, but it feels really nice, like a big fat quarter bundle. So I'm looking forward to finding out what's in that package. And then here we have another big tower of fabrics. Look at these. This is called Evergreen and Pine, and it's for my February project. So I'm really looking forward to using these. There's beautiful greens, dark greens, light greens. There's tans and dark browns. And then we have some coordinating fabrics to go with it. So this is called Evergreen and Pine. And I'm really looking forward to using those. Then we have 8 yards of what's called pearl. It's like a nice light batik, which will be really good for backgrounds in projects and perhaps backing on a project. And then we have this little pack. It's almost like fat quarters or strips that have been rolled up. And this appears to be hand-dyed solid fabrics. And it's in all kinds of fun colors like orange and lime and gray and green. Very colorful, hand-dyed fabrics. And then there's another one. This one looks more like your traditional batiks, but it's in really bright colors too. There's pinks and purples and oranges, these beautiful batik strips. And these appear to be wider strips. They almost appear to be like 5-inch strips. So I'll be excited to find out what these are all about and use them in my projects as well. And then the last thing that we have in here is mountain gems and coordinating fabric to go with it. So this is the coordinating fabric, a beautiful kind of teal green, and then there's like a lighter, really light green. Those are the coordinating fabrics. And then these are the mountain gem batiks. And you can see all the beautiful colors of the fabrics that are in this pack. I'm not sure what month this project is for, but they are beautiful. There's greens and blues and lime color and light blue and dark blue. Beautiful, beautiful batiks. And I think that's everything that's in this box. So I'm really excited to be able to share everything with you that Island Batik has sent so far. And I look forward to showing you what I'm going to make with all of these projects. So if you've liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And then also hit that little bell, because when you hit that little bell, it will tell you every time I've posted a new video. And so as I'm working on these projects, I'm going to be posting a lot of videos. So you'll definitely want to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified to learn about all of these wonderful batik projects. So that's it for now. And thank you for coming and visiting me on the island, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.